we're currently working in the rail yards in Wellington here. We're doing a 6-track rip out, 5 tracks going back in. We're mainly doing the drainage, the dig out and the formation, and also we'll be flooding the ballast back in after. Hey, I'm Ben Jones, so I've been with Action Civil for about 8 years now, 8 coming on 9 years. Got more into the drainage in 2011, and then yeah, basically been doing it ever since. Went over to Australia for a few years and then came back with a bit more knowledge and sort of worked my way up into the site supervisor role. But yeah. So this site we've got about 6,500 cube to remove. So originally it was 6 tracks in here. The 4th line will be coming out and there'll be a drainage line about 330 metres long of 200mm subsoil and a couple of soak pits in there. And then once all the drainage in, then we start bottom cloth everything, and then ballast goes back in about 200mm deep, and basically we'll be shaping that to the underside of the rails. Basically each morning we have a protector, so Don's our protector. And we got to go get a permit from B-Box, which is just over beyond it, and they basically handle the whole freight yard sort of thing, and they tell us what time trains are coming through on each track. Obviously we've got a live track here and a live on the other side. So yeah, they'll tell us the train movements, but also a protector will call us on the radio and let us all know. But other than that, we've got the whole middle area free, no trains on that. Probably sort of see if you go for a further walk is a lot of rotten sleepers, and they've always had ponding issues in this rail. Basically before the rail came out it was just a big low point going to the centre of the rail, so it had nowhere to push out. And also the water table is quite high, being so close, about 1.2 metres. So when we're digging our trenches we'll be getting more into that, so we might put up some wet wells and yeah, a few pumps to handle that. Yeah, so I've dealt with Paul quite a few times from Attached 2. Yeah, the service has been very good. Whenever we need something, one of you guys come out, fix it, repair it, or you know, any maintenance on them, need the spring or something, you know, it's been very good. So the heli tilt with the wide bucket has been very good. You know, we use it a lot for our trenching, for when we're doing batters on our trench where we don't have the abilities for shields or shoring. Due to services or what have you. And then also the quick ability to go from your digging bucket to clean out your bottom of the trench, swap over to the wide bucket to clean up the sides. Yeah, it's very good. You know, it's pretty quick and pretty reactive. You know, your alarm's still going off if it's not connected. You haven't hit the button. So yeah, you know, you should bring your bucket in, crowd it right around, have a good visual. That's another good thing, you can actually see that back pin locking in. And then just do these shake tests, so it's been, yeah, very good. Yes, I have used 1 or 2 others. This is going back some time ago, but basically generally all our stuff is Attached 2 now. You know, I don't see us moving away from that. You know, been very happy with the service and the product itself. So, and also, yeah, we have got a grab bucket for the 14 and also a grab bucket for the 5, and they're very handy for jobs like this as well, grabbing rail, pulling sleepers, or just general stuff on site, tree stumps or what have you.